I'm Ron from Coleno, your go-to platform for accounts receivable integrated seamlessly with NetSuite. And today I will walk you through the steps for printing multiple credit memos at once in NetSuite. What you will do, you will go to Transactions, Management, Print Checks and Forms. There on the left-hand side, you can see I have the option Credit Memos. You can decide to filter by locations. Make sure to have the Allow Reprinting box checked. You can see if I remove it, my credit memos disappear because the Allow Reprinting, what it says here, is that to check this box to be able to reprint previously printed transactions. When you check this box, all documents appear at the bottom of the page in segments. What I will do once I've checked it is that I will choose 3 credit memos, and then I will just click in the top left on print. And in my browser, it opens one document with the 3 PDF, and then I can just click on the print icon. While it is printing, make sure to subscribe to this channel for more useful tips and tutorials. If you have not enabled the download PDF files preference on the set preferences page, a preview of your credit memos will pop up in your PDF preview. And if you have enabled it, you will first need to save the credit memo and then open them in your PDF application. You can obviously customize the layouts. You can see here it doesn't look very nice. Using the advanced PDF HTML templates. Please like this video and I will see you in the next one.